Welcome to Planet 3, Video 2. Hello everybody. If you haven't, please buy a new tree. It's a family activity. Buy it at a nursery, convenience or hardware store. Sourcing a local tree has a better probability it'll survive your environment. But if you'd rather buy a tree online, check out the links below the video. I found a new cookbook for all of us in the form of a new scientific study. It comes with tasty, healthy meals and snacks that will make you feel satisfied with enough amounts. Just make sure you look at the bottom for unprocessed menu that includes the beef, pork, chicken, fish, fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes. They mentioned that it's not easy to cook a meal versus opening a bag of Pop-Tarts, but we must consider that we, Homo sapiens species, have existed for 200 million years with no choice but to eat healthy. The ultra-processed foods have been around for only 100 years, but we are just not designed to eat them efficiently. They are making us fat, killing us, and hurting the environment. I've linked the news reference and the study's version below. Download it and start cooking with great-tasting unprocessed recipes for a much better life. I'm still looking for a nice tree to get for my first one tree goal. So please make a donation and speed me up to higher tree goals. What do you think? Please comment below the video and like it to spread the word, and hit the bell for me. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.